Decor Designs, your go-to channel for transforming your living spaces into havens of beauty and comfort. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we're stepping into the fresh air to talk about an increasingly popular and luxurious addition to any backyard, the modern outdoor fireplace. Get ready to transform your evenings with warmth, ambience, and impeccable style. So, what exactly defines a modern outdoor fireplace design? It's all about clean lines, minimalist aesthetics, and the thoughtful integration of fire as a focal point within a contemporary outdoor living space. Unlike traditional, rustic fireplaces, modern designs often feature geometric shapes, smooth finishes like concrete, stucco, or large format tiles, and a pared-down material palette. The flame itself is often a horizontal, linear element, creating a sleek, almost artistic display. These fireplaces are designed to complement modern architecture and landscaping, often becoming a sculptural element that adds visual interest and a sophisticated ambience without relying on ornate details. They prioritize functionality, seamless integration, and a chic, understated elegance. The benefits of incorporating a modern outdoor fireplace into your home are truly substantial. Firstly, they dramatically extend your usable outdoor living season, allowing you to enjoy your patio or deck well into cooler evenings or even during chillier months. Secondly, they serve as a powerful focal point, instantly elevating the aesthetic appeal of your outdoor space and becoming a natural gathering spot for family and friends. Thirdly, they add a touch of luxury and sophistication, boosting your home's overall value and curb appeal. Beyond the warmth, the mesmerizing dance of flames creates an unparalleled ambience, perfect for relaxation, intimate conversations, or lively entertaining. Finally, they provide a sense of enclosed comfort, making a large outdoor area feel more intimate and inviting. Decorating your modern outdoor fireplace to look beautiful is about enhancing its inherent sleekness with thoughtful, complementary elements. Focus on a minimalist approach to avoid clutter. Choose low-profile, contemporary outdoor furniture in neutral tones like charcoal, white, or gray to maintain the clean aesthetic. Add pops of color with weather-resistant throw pillows or blankets in vibrant or jewel tones that complement the overall design. Integrate subtle, integrated lighting, such as LED strip lights under benches or discrete uplights, to highlight the fireplace's architecture and create a warm glow. Place large, sculptural planters with architectural plants like succulents or ornamental grasses nearby to add organic texture without distracting from the clean lines. Finally, consider a chic coffee table or side tables made of concrete, metal, or reclaimed wood to ground the seating area and provide practical surfaces. Now, let's fire up some inspiration. Here are our top 10 best modern outdoor fireplace designs, showcasing innovation, style, and the ultimate in outdoor luxury. (1) Sleek linear fireplace with modern seating and umbrella. This inviting outdoor living space features a long, linear modern fireplace built into a light-toned stone wall, providing a chic focal point. The flames create a warm glow, contrasting beautifully with the sleek gray modular outdoor sofa set and a matching coffee table. An expansive offset umbrella offers shade during the day, ensuring comfort. Integrated lighting casts a soft illumination on the pathway leading to the seating area, while a small, neatly trimmed lawn adds a touch of greenery, creating a perfectly balanced and sophisticated outdoor oasis for relaxation and entertaining. 2. Illuminated outdoor fireplace with floating bench and mountain views. This stunning modern outdoor setting boasts a dramatic fireplace built into a concrete block wall, featuring a sleek, horizontal firebox that casts a warm light. The design incorporates a floating concrete bench, illuminated from beneath, adding a contemporary edge and additional seating. The bold lines of the structure contrast beautifully with the distant silhouette of mountains under a vibrant blue evening sky. Minimalist dark-toned furniture and strategic lighting enhance the sophisticated ambience, creating a truly striking and inviting space for evening gatherings. 3. Cozy outdoor fireplace with log storage and wicker seating. This charming outdoor living area features a robust stone fireplace as its centerpiece, designed with convenient open niches for firewood storage on either side, adding a rustic yet organized touch. The fireplace is topped with a clean, light-colored mantel, offering space for decorative lanterns and planters. Comfortable dark wicker seating, adorned with plush black and white striped cushions, surrounds a rustic wooden coffee table, creating an inviting and cozy atmosphere. The backdrop of lush green foliage ensures privacy and a natural feel, perfect for enjoying a crackling fire. 4. Contemporary fire table with blue fireglass and tiered patio. This modern outdoor space features a rectangular fire table with a unique blue fireglass bed, creating a mesmerizing flame display that adds a pop of color and warmth. The fire table is constructed with a combination of light-colored stone and darker stone cladding, providing a refined texture. It sits on a multi-tiered patio that transitions into a manicured lawn with square concrete stepping stones. Elevated planters with subtle lighting flank the steps, leading up to further garden levels and an integrated basketball hoop in the distance, indicating a versatile family-friendly environment. 5. Expansive stone outdoor fireplace with integrated benches. This grand outdoor living area features a substantial stone fireplace as its impressive focal point, designed with an integrated mantel and extended side ledges that can serve as additional seating or display areas. The large firebox promises significant warmth and ambience. The patio is paved with square stone tiles, complementing the fireplace's material. Comfortable brown wicker seating with light cushions, along with various decorative pumpkins, suggests a cozy autumnal setting. Tall trees in the background provide a natural canopy, enhancing the secluded and inviting atmosphere of this outdoor retreat. 6. Modern concrete fireplace under a slat pergola. This sleek outdoor patio features a striking modern fireplace constructed from smooth, gray concrete, showcasing clean lines and a minimalist design. It's positioned under a stylish black slatted pergola, which provides partial shade and architectural interest. The seating area includes comfortable white cushioned outdoor chairs, creating an inviting space for relaxation. The surrounding concrete walls and steps enhance the contemporary feel, while a vibrant green lawn in the foreground adds a natural touch, blending modern hardscaping with soft landscape elements. 7. Luxurious outdoor living area with modern fireplace and grill station. This sophisticated outdoor living space boasts a magnificent modern fireplace integrated into a large, white-tiled wall, featuring a wide linear firebox that creates a stunning visual. Adjacent to the fireplace is a sleek stainless steel outdoor kitchen or grill station, perfect for entertaining. The patio is furnished with comfortable, contemporary seating in neutral tones, including an L-shaped sofa and 2 accent chairs, all with plush cushions. The lush tropical foliage in the background and warm overhead lighting complete this luxurious and highly functional outdoor retreat, ideal for year-round enjoyment. 8. Elegant outdoor patio with recessed fireplace and wood accent wall. This luxurious outdoor patio features an elegant fireplace built into a tall, prominent column, clad in a textured light-colored stone, contrasting beautifully with a warm wooden accent wall behind it. The fireplace includes a mantel and a traditional firebox, exuding refined charm. The expansive patio is furnished with plush white outdoor sofas and armchairs, creating a comfortable and inviting seating arrangement around a glass coffee table. Tall black structural columns support a dark wooden ceiling, adding a sense of grandeur and providing shade, while lush greenery beyond creates a serene backdrop. 9. Chic outdoor fireplace with stone facade and lantern lighting. This inviting outdoor patio features a substantial modern fireplace with a textured stone facade, creating a rugged yet refined focal point. The wide linear firebox provides a contemporary touch, casting a warm glow on the sleek gray patio pavers. Comfortable outdoor seating in neutral tones, including lounge chairs and a wooden coffee table, defines the area. Multiple decorative lanterns are strategically placed around the space, adding a cozy and ambient illumination as dusk settles, complementing the surrounding dark foliage and creating a sophisticated yet intimate outdoor setting. 10. Minimalist outdoor fireplace with clean white walls and glass railing. This stunning outdoor space exemplifies minimalist modern design with its stark white walls and a very long, linear gas fireplace creating a dramatic horizontal flame. The fireplace is integrated into a low, dark-toned base, providing a sleek contrast against the white. The patio features dark gray tiles, and a contemporary glass railing separates the seating area from the lush hillside, offering uninterrupted views. Modern black outdoor chairs with purple accents and sleek side tables complete the sophisticated ensemble, creating a refined and elegant outdoor entertaining area. If you enjoyed this video and found these design ideas helpful, please give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more inspiring home improvement and decor content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Which outdoor fireplace design was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Designs.